We are at the pinnacle of luxury living. This home was built by Landmark Homes and it's a desert contemporary right on Troon North golf course.
Beautiful kitchen has high ceilings, leather countertops, and stainless steel Wolf appliances.
The kitchen opens into the dining room, which feeds into the great room, so you have panoramic views of the golf course.
It doesn't get any better than this. Look at the stunning views on this golf course and the McDowell Mountains behind me.
Welcome to the bar. What would you like to drink?
I'll have my regular.
Wonderful. Outside, we have multiple dining areas, seating areas, great for entertaining. We invite you to come and take a look.